There you go. This van is leaving today. It's a 2008 Ford Econoline. I'm making a quick video here to show you how everything's working. A quick walk around so you can see the condition before it leaves. Super nice. No issues with it. It's ready to go. Transporter's supposed to be on the way. I'm going to show you how everything works. Here's the condition of it before it leaves. Got your passenger transfer seat here. You just hit these switches and everything works. You'll get the idea of how to use it. While you're lighting, everything's on. Got your switch there for the power bed. There's a switch there in the front and one in the back. Right there along the wall, you'll see it. Got your radio. Dual air working. As you can see, no warning lights on. Got fuel. 77,194 miles, as you can see. Got your registration and your warranty paperwork is in here. This thing's ready to go. Everything's all set for you. The tag is in place. When you're not using the van, it's best to keep this switch turned off. We are in the rear of the van. If you let the van sit with this turned on, it could drain the battery. It's just because this is for the wheelchair lift. This is the power box for the wheelchair lift. So usually it's a good idea to keep it turned off when you're not using it. I try to tell everybody that just in case. You don't want to have a dead battery for no reason. Got your brand new smart TV. The remote control is right over there in the cup holder. Everything is there, good to go. This is your sofa switch. Up and down, front and back, if you ever need that. Pretty simple. Show you how the wheelchair lift works. Make sure your doors are all the way open. Okay, doors all the way open. You have the pendant remote right here. Click down. Usually you have to push the down button twice to activate the lift. And then you're ready to go. So this is the down button. And if you want to go all the way up with it, you would just push the up button, and to put it away, you just click stow. And it will stow right back in. And you're pretty much good to go. There's a little hang spot there for the pendant. You can just leave it there, and you can also just operate it from there if you wanted to. There's also the tie downs for the wheelchair. These are simple ratchet tie downs. You just use those, they lock into place, and then you just push the button to release them. So it locks in, and to release it, you just push that pink tab. And you're ready to rock and roll. Call me if you have any questions. Thank you, we appreciate it. Everything is good to go. Got your warranty again, paperwork, and your registration right there. There's nothing you need to do. Jump in this thing, take your mom for a ride, and enjoy it. Thank you.